In today's video, we're diving into how to organize your prospect lists on Apollo.io, a powerful tool that makes it easy to manage leads and target the right prospects for your business. If you're new to Apollo.io, stick around because I'm going to walk you through a quick guide that'll get you up to speed and help you maximize your use of this software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, organize, and optimize your prospect lists so you can start seeing results faster. Apollo.io is a platform that allows you to not only find prospects, but also organize them in a way that makes outreach much more efficient. So, how do you start organizing your lists effectively? First, let's talk about the basic framework. Once you've logged in, head over to the Prospects tab. You'll find a list of your current prospects here, but the power of Apollo.io is in its segmentation options. You want to start by creating different lists based on your outreach strategy, whether it's by industry, region, or lead score. Creating lists is easy. Click the Create List button, name your list, and then filter your leads based on the criteria that matter most to your campaign. Want to target businesses in the tech industry? No problem. Use the industry filter and Apollo will only show prospects that meet your specific needs. You can also filter by job title, company size, or even decision maker status. This is where Apollo.io shines, giving you full control over the kinds of leads you want to focus on. Next, once your lists are created, you'll want to keep track of engagement. Apollo.io integrates with email and LinkedIn, so you can track which prospects have opened your emails or responded to your outreach. This helps you refine your list in real time, ensuring that you're always targeting the most engaged prospects. If you notice a particular prospect is showing interest, you can easily move them to a more high priority list. Now let's talk about syncing Apollo.io with your CRM. One of the best things about Apollo is how easily it integrates with other tools, ensuring that once you organize your prospect lists, they're automatically added to your CRM for continuous nurturing. This seamless flow between your prospect list and CRM means less manual work and more focus on closing deals. You also have the option to save custom filters for even more tailored prospecting. For example, you might regularly target businesses with 50 to 100 employees in a certain region. Instead of manually setting those filters each time, save that filter as a preset, and it'll be available for you to apply with one click. This not only speeds up your workflow, but ensures consistency across your team if you're collaborating with others. As you're organizing your prospect list, remember that Apollo.io gives you insights into each prospect's potential interest level. Using the lead scoring system, you can assess which prospects are most likely to convert and focus your energy there. The platform also offers advanced analytics, which help you measure the success of your prospecting efforts. If something's working, great. If it's not, you can adjust your lists and targeting with just a few clicks. Now, before we wrap up, I want to give you something special. You can access Apollo.io completely for free using the first link in the description below. This exclusive offer includes extended bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about improving your prospecting, go ahead and click that link to get started with Apollo.io today. To sum it up, organizing your prospect lists on Apollo.io is all about using the right filters, integrating with your CRM, and continuously optimizing based on lead engagement. Apollo's ability to help you segment, track, and prioritize prospects is what makes it such a valuable tool for anyone serious about growing their business. With its advanced features and seamless integration, Apollo.io can elevate your outreach efforts and save you hours of work. Remember, with the free trial available through the link below, you can explore Apollo.io's full potential risk-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.